Vivian, the product specialist from Wisconsin Medical. Today, I'm going to introduce you our premium anesthesia and pain management dedicated ultrasound, Navi. Navi has a 19-inch full-size touchscreen, which was engineered with a seamless design for easy disinfection. It displays with high sensitivity, providing doctors an easier interaction experience with Navi. To turn on power, press the power on and off button in the right bottom side on the host. To turn off your system, press the power on and off button and tap the power off on the screen. Navi has a built-in long-duration battery that enables the machine to continuously work for more than 7 hours. Here is the battery status indicator located on the card handle, showing the battery capacity. For comfort operation, the whole machine supports electrical lifting with the range of 30 centimeters. The suitable operation height can be adjusted via one button. There are 2 active probe ports located at the back of the Navi. To connect the probe, align the probe housing with the probe port. Insert the probe. After you hear a click, the probe is locked. To remove the probe, slide the connector lever and pull it straight out of the probe port. Make sure image is frozen when disconnecting the probe. On the both sides of the card, Navi provides exclusive disinfection probe holders to hold the probe firmly, so that the users can complete the whole disinfection procedure by a single person. The Navi card has a brake on each wheel. To activate the brake, press down on the lower gray lever. To release, press the top gray lever. Navi offers a storage bin for your accessories. This is Navi, the premium point-of-care ultrasound dedicated for anesthesia and pain management.